Okay, welcome back to Mr. G's lovely classroom. I'm sure you're very excited because today we're going to play another game involving dice. But this time it's going to have two dice. Now here's the game. I'll kind of run you through it. I am the dealer, right? So I have two dice. What I'm going to do is say, you can choose your bet on any number. Basically, pick any number. So let's just say you guys pick a 2, right? Then, me, the dealer, I'm going to roll 2 dice. So right here, you see I have a 6 and a 4. Now here's the deal. If no 2 show up, you'll lose $1. If 1 2 shows up, so right now no 2 would show up, so you would lose $1. That's situation A. So we'll write that down. So roll 6 and 4, lose $1. Okay, now let's just say my roll was 2 and 4. So now this time I roll a 2 and a 4, right? Then, since one of my numbers was a 2, and that was my betting number, I will win $1. The last scenario is if I roll if I roll 2 2s, right? So I roll a 2 and a 2, because my number was a 2, so if I roll 2 of them, I win $5. So obviously, your betting number, you could bet a 6, you could bet a 4, but the situation still applies. I just picked 2 randomly. Okay, so here I had 0 2s, I lost $1. Here I had 1 2, I won $1. Here I had 2 2s, and I won $5. My question to you is, who's gonna hustle who? Will I take your money? So in the first situation, right? $1. That was yours. I have it now. If we play this game over and over and over again, am I going to get your money? Or the second situation, you rolled a 2 and a 4. I have to give you $1. And then the third situation where you rolled a 2 and a 2, pretend this is a $5 bill, because if you turn a 2 upside down, it's a 5. I'm just kind of short on cash right now, obviously. So if you roll a 2 and a 2, there you go. So, repeatedly playing this game over and over. Roll. Here's $1. Oh, you rolled a 6 and a 4. Give me that $1 back. Oh, you rolled a 2 and a 2. Here's $5. So let's just say you play this game 100 times. Who has the advantage? And the way you can figure this out is you don't have to play this game over and over again. You can actually look at the dice combinations. So I'll just kind of give you a little hint. So, situation C, you win $5. How many times can you roll a 2 and a 2, or the same number twice? Well, it looks like you can only get that situation one time. How many total situations are there? Combinations? Well, it's 6 by 6, so that would give me 36 total combinations. So what's the probability of rolling the same number twice? Well, for example, if I want to do a 2 and a 2, that's one option out of 36 options. But the same would apply for a 4 and a 4, right? That's still just one option out of 36 options. And going with the 2 again, but it's going to be the same with every number, how many options do you have for rolling 1, 2? So you gotta look at all the combinations where you just roll 1, 2. So this is 2, 2, so we can ignore it. But so you want to count how many combinations you have where you just roll 1, 2, figure out the probability, and then I'll leave the rest up to you. So once you figure out the probabilities of rolling a 2 and a 2, which is 1 out of 36, what's the probability of rolling a 2 and a 4? We'll count the combinations and do that over 36. Move myself. And then, once again, you can count all the combinations without a 2 in them and look at those probabilities. I'm not going to go any further because then I would give you the answer, but you want to take my money or should I take your money? That's your decision. Obviously, once again, since my hustling days, I still only have $4. But I will be on national TV today, no joke, on Fox News, talking about education. So I think I'm going to get a little come up financially, maybe, $6. Actually, no, I'm not making any money, but from 12 to 1, probably from 12:30 to 1 p.m. your time, and my time, I will be on TV. So if you go to foxnews.com, you can actually stream it, and you can really make fun of me, because I'm sure it'll be awful. Well, anyways, wish me luck. Signing out. Oh yeah, I'll be a celebrity too. No big deal.